Hello Vex Robotics community, my name is Andrew Schreck and I am the team captain of 6135W. Today, I will be going over to how to set up your RobotC interface to begin programming a physical Vex Robotics robot. This is a basic tutorial designed to help those just beginning to use RobotC, or for those that are having troubles getting their program to download. First, we are going to assume you have already downloaded RobotC 4.x from robotc.net. If not, we will have a link in the description that will take you directly to the RobotC website to download the software. Now, go ahead and open RobotC if you haven't already. Next, you will need to open a new file or the program you are trying to download. The first thing you may notice are the errors in the compiler box. This is what your RobotC software will tell you if you are trying to program a Vex Robotics robot with the VexIQ default. Everyone who opens up RobotC will have the default VexIQ platform in their software. To change this, first go up to the left-hand corner of your screen. You will see File, Edit, View, Robot, Window, and Help tabs. The File tab is where you will go to save your programs. Open your programs, and print your programs. If you click Open Sample Program, you will find many different sample programs surrounding all aspects that you will use in Vex Robotics, if those help you learn. The next tab is the Edit tab. The Edit tab will allow you to format your program and find and bookmark information in your program. The tab beside it, View, is where you can increase font size and the overall view of your user interface. The next tab is Robot. Robot is where you are going to set up your overall communication with your robot. For example, in this tab you will tell your robot what to talk to, what program to read, what language to read in, and update the robot to understand what you are telling it to do. The second to last window is Window. We use this tab to select the type of user we are, and if you are programming a virtual world robot, you can select the world to use. The final tab is Help. We normally only use this tab if we are updating a license for virtual worlds. So, to begin setting up your RobotC interface, go to the Robot tab. First, you will need to set your compiler target to your physical robot. Next, you will head down to Platform Type and select Vex 2.0 Cortex. After that, on Platform Type again, select Natural Language PLTW. The next step is to update the firmware on your Cortex and controller. You can do this by going down to Download Firmware, Manually Update Firmware, and selecting each of the three. We suggest starting with Master CPU, then RobotC, then VexNet Joystick. We will have a separate video that will go through this process. After you have done all that, now we'll move on to the Window tab. Under this tab, all you will need to do is select Menu Level and Super User. What this does is it adds all of the functions you will use in your program on the left-hand side of your screen. Lastly, you will need to set up your debugger windows. First, go ahead and upload your program to your robot. You don't need any code right now, you just need to upload the program to the robot. Make sure your compiler target is on Physical Robot. We will use virtual worlds to explain in a virtual environment what you will do. Right now, you will see the bottom debugger tabs will only have global variables and local variables. To debug your robot effectively, you will need to see the real-time values of the motors and sensors as well. To do this, go up to the Robot tab on the top of your screen and select Debugger Windows. Now, select Motors, and Sensors. You will see them appear on the bottom of your screen and you will know it worked. You can then test your robot by opening your sensor over a line. You can tell here that we do not have a program for the robot to go forward, so all of the powers are 0. The sensor values, however, will read what your robot is on. For example, the line followers will read 1404 because they are on the black tile. Your potentiometers have not moved and your sonar is not detecting, so it will both be 0. This is the conclusion of our RobotC Setup tutorial. If you enjoyed the video or have any questions, use the comment section below. To stay up to date with our VEX educational tutorials or our progress throughout the season, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Have an amazing day and thank you for watching.